It's a new 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Behind the wheel of the Giulia, you experience the convergence of engineering and emotion. This world-class sports sedan delivers fun-loving driving dynamics showcased in undeniably hot-blooded package. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, touring suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack inspired vehicles for the street. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Contact Jim Ellis Mazda of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5855 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard.